So one of the things that is daunting for many people that go and grab a weed whacker, this one is another Ryobi 40 volt. My uncle had grabbed this, and I like these for homeowners and stuff like that. But loading the string, right? So I'm gonna get one of mine because we're gonna let him go ahead and take this away. But by the time I get done, you'll be able to do this no problem. All right.
So real quick, most of all of them actually, all the Ryobi heads for trimmers that I see now, they work like this. Okay. You have this little dome part, this whole spinny part can be replaced if you need to one day or something, you know. Like I got a hole in mine right there. It's not affecting them, so I'm gonna leave it. You got an indentation thing you push on this side. You got another one on that side. So you're gonna put your fingers together, boop, and it's gonna pop out, okay? You're always gonna have one of these. It's supposed to stay on there, but it normally doesn't. So, like right now, I'm gonna make sure I put this in my pocket. Like I said, you could buy another one, but like if you out in the yard, especially if it's tall grass, you drop something like this spring, you probably not gonna find it until you go over it with your lawnmower. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. All right, so hold up. Oh, this is full of string already. Hold up, I'm gonna get it out. Ah, there we go. Okay. So now what I do, I forgot how long they say you're supposed to make this, but look, this is what I do. Like, let's say this is in the string thing. I take one end in my hand like this, and then I step on the string, and then I pull it up till it's even. Now, I normally do it up in the air like this, so you can tell I've used some of this string. I put it on the ground, as high up as my hands go. That's what I do with this, you know? And then bow. Where my foot was, I know that's the middle. You know what I'm saying? I don't get too technical about it or nothing, right? So anyway, now you see all these little holes, they do different things, but the only one we want to trip off of is that one you can see me through right there. You see the little string going? All right, so we're gonna have to go through the hole on that side and the hole on that side through this middle part. So you just take this, slide in that hole. You can see it from the top, right? I'm not really good at getting it straight across, so I pull it up a little bit and then just feed it through the hole on the other side. Ooh, all right. Now, then we want to find the middle part. How do we find the middle part? Step on this little thing, like I said, when we were cutting it, well, we would have been cutting it, bring them up to where they're even, and now you know that that's the middle. All right, that's how you find the middle. Now, the only difference, ow, ow, ow. Okay, the only difference is when you do it for real, you want to line these holes up on the outside with the holes on the inside. Boop, boop. Again. See? Because as this is spinning, it's doing a ratchet kind of thing, right? It'll turn this way and it won't turn back that way. So, boop, boop. You see everything lined up? Now, the exact same thing. Because I don't know. There may be a little bit of a difference the way that the inside part connects to this, but if you look at this video, you see what I did, you know what I'm saying? You'll be able to do it either way, right? And then, where's the middle? Wherever my foot lands when I'm step on it. Hold up. I already used this, so it's a little weird, but if you're doing this straight out of the, straight off the spool, you'll be all right. All right, there we go. Now, most important part, you got all of this together. This will come apart on you, but remember I was telling you about the ratchet action? All you do is twist it. Twist, 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 and it does all of the work for you. All right, let's see where we at. We almost there. All right, this side a little bit bigger than the other side. I can't really say that I care. You can cut one side off, make them even if you want to. I don't know how I messed that up, but I did mess it up. Anyway, that's how you get that on there, right? And then, hopefully for you, your little spring thing stays on there. But in case it don't, there's a little circle on here with these little sprockets, this spindle thingies that's coming out. Just get that on there to where it stays. And then what I do, line up the things we pressed off, the little finger thingies, slide that thing back on there. Uh-oh. Do I have it? Did I mess up? Oh, okay, I didn't have it even. You shouldn't have to force it on there unless you got a bunch of gunk on your shit. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. And then you ready to go. All right? So yeah, that's that. See my shirt? That's me. Can you tell that's me? It's about like this part of my face. Anyway, I'll see you, Niji.